Hello chat, welcome to day 7 of Lake Reviews.
Hello.
We are here at
We are at here at Dorekere in
yes,
Uttarahalli, I guess. Yes.
yes, and here's the lake.
Wait, my bad.
The view is pretty good.
I think this will be the most artistic review.
It's okay. You think I can't make others autistic enough?
You can. That I believe that you're capable of.
Yeah. Yeah. Oh, yeah. This place has lore. Basically, a few months ago, me, Shreyas, and this guy Pragati,
Yep.
I was feeling super depressed and sad, and they brought me here for a morning walk.
Oh yeah, you were
Yeah.
sneezing the fuck out of your lungs.
Yeah. Anyways,
Swear to God, yeah.
so that is the day when I kind of got the idea that I should keep going to lakes and review them.
Oh damn.
Yeah.
The lore
So,
is here.
so yeah, the Raikere lore is good.
We need to come back here once again when you have a mic set up, with two mics connected to your phone.
No, I think my phone can get the audio right.
Oh, then hell yeah.
Anyways, the lake review. The lake is pretty huge, but the track that you walk on and jog on,
That's
Yeah.
block.
the track that we jog and walk on isn't really that great because it gets fucked up by the rain. But it's pretty. The best part about the lake is that there's multiple sections. Like this section is just open area, kind of, and then that section is like forest, and there's like a small hill there with bandstand in it,
Yeah.
which is cool. And then there's the gym area, and then there's the sewers area.
How's the washroom though?
Dirty.
Bad. Okay, never mind.
Okay.
It's
Oh
okay.
yeah, one cool thing about this lake. So, yeah, there. How do I point it in the?
Should I just hold it for you?
No, yeah, that is our college, right?
No, that's not our college.
Oh fuck. Okay.
My love. Hold. I'll just show it to you.
That is our college, right?
No. Yeah, that is our college. Yes.
Yeah.
That is
Yeah,
our college.
that the thing right above that hill there is our college, and it looks cooler in person because it feels like a RPG game with a map. No, wait, how do I explain it to people who don't understand art? Yeah, it's like how Dora the Explorer. Yeah, like you have to complete a set of missions, and above the hill your final destination is on. So yeah, that is our college. It looks cooler in person, and it's right on the hill. It looks weird in the camera, but it looks cool as fuck in person. Just believe me. How much would you rate it?
This lake
Yeah,
on my side. Well, this lake.
I mean you are a 10. This lake,
Thank you.
this lake and people and
You
everything.
should have rated me above 10, but that's alright. I'll take 10. Okay, this lake, I would rate it an 8.5. It would have gotten a higher rating if they had cleaned up that edge and if it was not smelly and the tracks were a little better because, well, it's been fucked up by rain a lot.
I think I would normally give it a 5, but then because of the lore and because like the college and the
You're
it
giving
being
5.
cool.
Okay.
No, wait, let me bump it up.
Okay.
I'll give it like an 8.
Okay, cool. I like the center island, which is like a bird conservation thing where humans can't interfere and only birds are there. I like that, but I think a lot of
Every lake
Bangalore
has
lakes
that.
has it these days. That's
Yeah.
really nice. Yeah, I wish they had a better tracks. But other than that, and that dirty part, I think this is a good lake. I'm not gonna lie. Yeah, 7 to 8.
Yeah,
Ooh, like,
8 out of
wait,
10.
I'm gonna do it like an Anthony Fantano review. I would like to rate this lake a light 7. No, a strong 7 to a light 8.
Yeah, okay. It's an 8 out of 10 by me.
Yep.
Okay. See you guys.